video is for Grumpy Old Troll, page 39 in Lesson Book Level 1. Okay, I hope you could see my hand at the end. Good, it looks like you could. All right, so first let's find our position for this song. Your fourth finger in the right hand is on F, so you can write that in at the beginning, 4 on F. The left hand, finger 1, your thumb is on G, finger 4 is on D. Now when I get my hands in that position, you might be able to see that's really the C 5-finger scale position, what we call C major position. Okay, that's a really comfortable spot to play. I hope that you noticed two main things while I played this. I had a lot of staccato notes, and I also played with a lot of dynamics. So let me tell you about both of those. So the staccato notes are the ones with the dots under them or over them. So make sure you play those really short, almost like the keys are hot and you can't stand to touch them very long. Don't be lazy about that. Make sure you really play them short. All right, now the dynamics are forte at the beginning. And then in line 2, there's something really interesting. The left hand has a forte marking, but the right hand has a piano marking. That's kind of unusual. So the left hand will be nice and loud, right hand is really quiet. And we do something similar on the last line, but this time the right hand will continue with that forte marking. The left hand is the quiet one. Okay? All right, so the story here is that we've got a troll. You can see him up there. And he does look pretty grumpy. Apparently, he's grumpy because he didn't get a nap. Okay? Now, you're probably too old to take naps anymore, but if you just ask your mom or your dad, they'll probably tell you, oh, yes, you were always grumpy if you didn't take your nap. So it really is true. When we're low on sleep, we're pretty grumpy. So all that has happened is that the troll has misplaced his hat. He doesn't know where it is, but it makes him so grumpy. So that's the story there. And he is saying at the end that he's not sleepy. He's not sleepy, and then, sure enough, he yawns for 4 counts. Yawn. And then he's snoring at the end. We have a question at the bottom. Should the snores at the end be forte or piano? And you write what you think it should be in the hat. Write an F or a P. If you think he should be snoring loudly, write an F. But if you think he's snoring quietly, write a P. Also notice that our left hand has to move down 2 octaves for those last notes. So I actually think I moved down 1 octave. I should have gone all the way down to my bottom C to play those last 3 notes. Now just remember, the bottom C on the piano is not the bottom note on the piano. I'm going to scoot this camera down so that hopefully you can see. The bottom note is an A. The third note is C. So that's where your hand will be for your last 3 notes. Okay, good luck with Grumpy Old Troll.